Hello and welcome to the patient portal on Docnote. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to sign up for Docnote and how each feature works. If you'd like to jump ahead to a specific section of the video, please refer to the index with timestamps on the next slide. To create your Docnote account or to log into your existing Docnote account, go to docnote.com and click Enter here under For Patients. Click Login, Sign Up. At this stage, you have two options. You can create your account or sign into your existing account. To create a new account, search for your doctor's name, enter your demographic information, and set up a password. For added security, you will complete a one-time, two-step verification process. Welcome to the patient dashboard. Each account includes a welcome message that provides an introduction to Docnote, along with step-by-step instructions and how-tos on using its features. Notifications for new messages, incoming requests, and updates on existing ones appear in the Recent Notifications section as well as here. If there is a new notification, a red dot will appear on the bell icon. You can easily view your office's customizable office hours. If your doctor's office is taking time off, the hours will be updated and a custom message will appear. We provide a clear explanation of what uninsured services are and a list of uninsured services you are offered. A request is what we at Docnote consider an uninsured service that you want your office to complete. This includes notes, forms, immunizations, procedures, or any other service offered. You can submit requests here. The Request tab offers an overview of all requests you or your office has created. When you open a request, you'll see a detailed overview including patient information, request specifics, payment status, any attached or final documents, and all communication between the office and yourself. To submit a request, click the Submit a Request button. Enter any required details for your office, upload relevant attachments, and, if needed, choose to send the completed documents to a third party via fax or email directly through Docnote. The Documents tab displays all completed documents your doctor's office has shared with you. To view a document, click the eye icon. To download it, simply click the download arrow. In the Annual Plan tab, you'll find a list of all services included in your plan, along with their fees and applicable discounts. To enroll, click Get Started. Begin by selecting your plan type. Options include individual, couples, family, senior individual, and senior couples. Please note that the couples plan is limited to 2 individuals. Next, choose your payment frequency, monthly or yearly. If you're signing up for a couples plan, enter the additional member's first and last name and date of birth. Finally, enter your credit card information and click Submit. Once enrolled, all eligible requests will be covered under your selected plan. The Receipts tab displays all completed receipts your doctor's office has shared with you. To view a receipt, click the eye icon. To download it, simply click the download arrow. To update your account details, click on your name in the top right corner of the screen. In the Profile section, you can edit your personal information. Under Account Settings, you can update your email address, phone number, and change your password. You can access our Help Center on the right side of your screen. The Get Started tab offers step-by-step guidance for signing into your account for the first time. If you need further assistance, click Need Help to explore our full list of patient resources. And that's the patient portal of Docnote. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help. You can reach us anytime at support@docnote.com or by phone at 1-866-236-6172. Thanks for watching.